Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get FuboTV free trial. When you sign up for Fubo, some plans include a free trial. To activate the trial, you'll need to provide a credit or debit card. At the end of the trial period, your subscription will automatically transition into a paid plan, and your card will be charged for your first billing cycle. You can confirm the end date and time of your free trial during the sign-up process and in your account settings. During checkout, a notification will appear at the top of the page stating you will not be charged until your free trial ends on date at time. If you've started your trial, you can find this information in the My Account section of FuboTV. Next, go to Fubo.tv and select the settings icon. Then select My Account and view the remaining days of your trial on any account page. The length of free trials offered can vary. Make sure to confirm the length of your trial before completing checkout. If you feel that Fubo isn't the right fit, you can cancel your subscription before the trial period ends to avoid being charged. Canceling during your trial will result in an immediate expiration of the trial, and any remaining trial days will not be accessible. The free trial is only available to new customers. If you're a former customer restarting your account, you will be charged for service at the time of the reactivation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.